Yo, what is up everybody, it's your boy Sadilk, and we're back with another video. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of drones. Specifically, the top 5 drone cameras that'll make your 2024 footage seriously epic. We're talking crystal clear 4K resolution, buttery smooth gimbals, and enough flight time to capture that golden hour magic. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your aerial photography journey, I've got you covered. Stick around because we're about to break down the specs and see which drone reigns supreme. Alright, let's kick things off with a couple of pocket rockets that pack a serious punch. The FIMI Mini 3 Pro and the X8 Mini V2. Don't let their size fool you, these drones are like the ninjas of the drone world. Small but mighty. The FIMI Mini 3 Pro boasts a super compact design that's practically begging to be tossed in your backpack. And the camera? Oh man, it's got a 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning detail even in low light. Plus, it's got this cool tri-directional obstacle avoidance system that'll save your butt when you're navigating through tight spaces. Now, the X8 Mini V2 is no slouch either. This little beast can handle winds like a champ, making it perfect for those breezy beach days or mountaintop adventures. Next up, we've got the Seafly Faith Mini, and this drone is all about that professional-grade image quality. We're talking a high-definition camera that captures buttery smooth 4K footage that'll make your viewers feel like they're right there with you. But it's not just about the stunning visuals, this drone is also crazy portable. It's got a foldable design that makes it super compact and easy to take with you on all your adventures. Imagine this, you're hiking through a lush forest. You whip out your Seafly Faith Mini, launch it into the air, and capture the breathtaking scenery from a whole new perspective. That's the power of this drone, my friends. Now let's talk about a drone that's perfect for both seasoned pilots and beginners alike, the Potensic 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone. This drone is all about ease of use without sacrificing those pro-level features. First off, that 3-axis gimbal is a game changer. It keeps your footage insanely stable even if you're flying through some bumpy air. And with its GPS capabilities, you can track your drone's location with pinpoint accuracy. But here's the best part. The Potensic drone has a ton of intelligent flight modes that make flying a breeze. We're talking Follow Me mode, where the drone automatically follows you, Orbit mode, where it circles around a specific point, and even Waypoint mode, where you can pre-program a flight path. So, we just talked about the Potensic 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone, but I wanted to give you guys a closer look at what makes this drone so special. One of the things that really impressed me is the flight time. You can get up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is insane. That means you can spend less time swapping out batteries and more time capturing epic footage. Plus, the Potensic drone has a really solid operating range, so you can fly it pretty far without losing connection. Oh, and did I mention the image quality? We're talking crisp, clear 4K footage that's perfect for everything from vlogging to cinematic shots. Last but not least, we've got another winner from CFly the Faith Mini. This drone is all about pushing the limits of flight time without sacrificing image quality. We're talking a massive flight time that'll let you capture those epic time lapses and explore vast landscapes without worrying about your battery dying. But it's not just about endurance. The CFly Faith Mini also boasts a seriously impressive 4K camera that captures stunning detail and vibrant colors. And with its 3-axis gimbal, your footage will be buttery smooth, even if you're flying through some turbulence. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just starting out, the CFly Faith Mini is a solid choice for anyone looking to up their aerial photography game. Alright guys, so there you have it, the top 5 drone cameras of 2024 that'll take your aerial photography to the next level. From compact powerhouses to feature-packed beasts, there's a drone out there for every creator. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you, so get out there, experiment, and see what incredible footage you can capture. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which drone is your favorite. Until next time, peace out.